I'm Bailey Bates. Here are your headlines from Central Texas. Winter weather isn't just dangerous for drivers. It can be devastating for small businesses. Many of our Central Texas spots had to close their doors. Our Sydney Walker shares how this time is impacting local businesses.
Icy roads brought Central Texas to a standstill this weekend.
It was definitely tough to make a call.
Leaving business owners like Jaja Chin in a tough spot.
We're also having to kind of weigh, okay, is it even worth opening? Will people even venture out, right?
Chin monitored local news, followed the cities and school districts, and spoke with other small businesses to help her decide. Shaw Community closed for the weekend and this Monday.
Definitely can be tough because especially for small businesses and restaurants in particular, just a few days of closure can actually detrimentally impact a small business for that month, especially for restaurants. The profit margin's already so low.
They're not the only ones put in a tough spot.
I think the most important things for not only for our staff is their safety, number one, our customer safety.
Kyle Citrano with George's says it's a step-by-step process.
Number one, with just checking in with all of our management teams, kind of seeing where we're at. Number two, go check on the restaurants, make sure no problems with electricity, running water, those kind of things. Next step was how did those drives go? How was the roads? Are things safe?
They opened one of their 3 restaurants after monitoring the roads.
You want to be available to those people that we provide for. They don't cook at home and they need somewhere to go eat. And there aren't a lot of options open, it seems like.
But he said they're fortunate to have been around for a while and have some support in these situations.
A couple of days being closed isn't just the difference in maybe your month for some restaurants. It may be the difference in your year.
Luckily, Chaw found a compromise.
So we decided to close the shop, but then we also created a special e-gift card sale online.
20% off $25 e-gift cards. Not a decision they wanted to make, but a decision they felt was right.
We definitely want to make sure we continue profiting, but at the end of the day, that safety came first.
Both owners emphasize that when this is all over, make sure to go out and support your favorite local neighborhood spots. As temperatures continue to drop well below freezing, shelters this weekend across Waco filled up quickly. Major Jeff Miracle on the Salvation Army in Waco says the shelter has been open 24 hours a day since Friday to accommodate as many people as possible. Miracle noted that the Salvation Army is one of several shelters operating throughout the winter storm and that his kitchen staff has been preparing approximately 300 meals per day to help support other shelters in the area.
We have been at or over capacity. We've been 45 to 50 people a night. And I know that the city and county EOCs opened up a second emergency shelter for their stays, and they're having a lot of folks too. We work with them in a lot of ways. One of the ways that we do is we've got a great kitchen staff here who prepare meals, and we're providing their dinners for them. And that's been about 40 meals every day for them as well.
Miracle added the Salvation Army's shelter will continue to be open during the day and overnight as long as temperatures continue to remain below 40 degrees and urge anyone who may need a warm place to stay to visit them or any other warming centers. Meantime, Mission Waco and My Brother's Keeper are no different, as they knew during this time of need they had to step up and help out. The Meyer Center provides wraparound services for the unhoused and working lower class. This includes showers, laundry, morning meals, and a medical clinic. Right now, over 30 people are staying at the My Brother's Keeper homeless shelter. They work in collaboration with the Salvation Army, the Hangar, the City of Waco, and St. Albans Church. The partnerships allow them to handle the increased amount of people who need a warm place to stay.
We've been here before, actually. In 2021, February, we did the snowpocalypse. At that time, we learned a lot from that experience, which helped us plan for this time together better as a community. And so we were better prepared this time than in 2021 for this weather event. But definitely, it's always a group effort, and it does take a village to raise a village, for sure.
Very important work that they're doing. We know that it is a major life-saving resource. Those are your headlines from Central Texas.